Happening, my lovely, wonderful people. U.S. judge revealed Tinubu's Atiku legal role. To get to the bottom of this, Atiku applied and asked that Tinubu's records be released, and he gave a reason. It's not because just for the fun of it. It just needs clarification. So at the end of the day, Nigerians know truly who their president is. He was simply asking for clarification. And just hours before, the Chicago State University will comply, Tinubu filed an expert application. It's called an emergency application, pleading and begging that should not be done. He said it will cause an irreversible damage to his reputation. I said if had to be detrimental to him, he did all he could possibly do, to ensure that none of such things, that is not released. However, the U.S. court has also now, given an opportunity, saying they will review this today, and this is the review already on ground with regards to Atiku getting what he requested for, and Tinubu, getting his matter out there, which he does not want anybody to know. The secrecy cannot be kept anymore. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. U.S. judge reveal Atiku Tinubu's legal row. A United States District Judge Nancy will today on Monday review the controversies surrounding the Chicago State University academic record of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, which was put on hold on Thursday. The People Democratic Party presidential candidate Alhaji Atiku Abubakar had earlier succumb to an order by Chicago State University to make the presidential academic record available to his legal team. The magistrate Jeffrey Gilbert had on Tuesday ordered Tinubu's matters to provide all relevant non-privileged documents to the applicant within 2 days. Atiku is currently challenging the victory of the Babajide former Lagos State Governor Alhaji Bola Ahmed Tinubu at the 2023 presidential polls and its recent affirmation by an election petition court in Nigeria. The document sought by People Democratic Party candidate through its counsel, Angela, include the record of admission, acceptance at the university, date of attendance, including degree, awards, and honors obtained by the former Lagos State Governor at the Chicago State University, among others. But as the deadline draw close given by Gilbert draws near on Thursday, Tinubu's lawyer approached the Supreme Judge arguing that the earlier decision by Gilbert needed to be reviewed by District Judge. The request for a review and delay of the order till Monday was eventually granted by the U.S. District Judge. In the emergency hearing, disclosed the that's mindful of the legal deadline in Nigeria, she would rule on matters as quickly as possible. Ahead of the resumption of the case on Monday, Atiku's media advisor, Paul Igbe, had turned to the president saying that the legal team would wait for the court proceedings while whatever is hidden must be unfolded as we must get to the bottom of it. In a related development, the new Nigerian People's Party is also struggling it out with Ganduje and his party in court. So this is what is happening. Tinubu has gone on, to the Supreme Court, waiting to have his matter being stayed and delayed. He does not want that matter reviewed. Tinubu is doing all he possibly can. He has gone to the length and the breadth trying to ensure that his document is not released. He said because if the document is released, it will cause, real serious damage to him, which he does not want. So everybody was just wondering, Tinubu, what damage exactly? What's the big deal in revealing your academic record? What's the big deal? What exactly is the big deal? Is there something you are hiding that we need to know? What exactly is the big deal? Tinubu cannot tell you, but he does not want his record released. He wants it to remain, in this in the column of privacy. He does not want anything that has to do to him being released. But it will clear a lot of dust in the air. It will give a lot of credibility to who he is. However, Tinubu does not want that. He does not want that at all. He wants things, he wants his matter in a private sector, very close, and he does not want anybody. Okay, so this is what is happening right now, and every single person, is watching carefully as we pay greater attention to get to the very bottom of this. Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu does not want his matter out there, and he says it's because he feels very strongly, that nobody needs to have, a touch into his academic record. But if you ask the question, you are now in the public space. You went by yourself. You told Nigerians it was your turn for you to be Nigerian's president. That's what you said. So being Nigerian's president entails that some of your matters, your private matter, will no longer remain private. For instance, I can't just walk up to you and ask you your academic record. But when you choose to go to that height, you filled a form, yes, and in that form you submitted a result. Is that result they want to verify? Somebody somewhere is saying that that result you are presenting is a lie, that result is not altogether true. So they want to get to the bottom of it. That result you presented, it was a lie. And clear the air so that everything will be sorted once and for all. Why is it so difficult for you to clear the air and to make it known that, what people are trying to say is all lie, but that you know exactly what you are doing, and that you are working for the truth. So there's no need to try to paint the matter and to make it look like there's nothing there. That no, there's no need. Let's get things settled once and for all. Let's get things done properly. So it is very, very serious. Yes, it's very, very serious. So this is part of what is going on now. Tinubu Atiku, the matter is still very much in court, and every single person is waiting to see what will happen next. So it is a very serious one. Anyway, my lovely, wonderful people, it's about time every single one of us begin to do what is needed and right and necessary to change the course of what is going on today. Okay, so please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe, click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. Let's speak out against everything and anything that could possibly hold us down. Okay, God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. From us is bye for now. Bye bye.